Hello everyone. Today we are going to convert simple shapes into amazing characters. We are going to do doodling today. Start by making this kind of a line on the paper, sectioning out the top right corner of the paper. Now double up this line here and over here make a semicircle like this and another line for the bear. Next, add its eyebrows, its nose and mouth over here. So let's add eyes for this character over here as well. First, let's complete the characters. First, let's place them where they are supposed to be. So add these shapes here like this. Make sure where I'm placing what line and what kind of shape it is. This is really important as it is going to help us in placing the characters in the right place. Now over here I'm making a heart. This way, this will be a heart-shaped character. Now next over here add clouds like this. Now we'll start adding the details of the characters. Now we'll start adding the eyes, nose and mouth. So follow my lead and add the kind of eyes that I'm adding on the paper. For example, for this rabbit I am adding these kind of circular eyes. Then for this character I'm adding really small dot kind of eyes with a cute little smile and with a specs as well. Once you're done adding eyes and mouth for the characters, start adding stars and small circles here for depicting stars in the night sky. Over here, add dotted line next to this main line that we have over here. Now start drawing the loops from where the shoelaces pass. It will be a double-lined circle, of course. Make sure you're adding them at a distance, and that distance is maintained throughout the work. Next, join these two circles using this kind of a line depicting the shoelaces. We'll later erase whatever is in the middle of these lines. Now another line over here, making the shoelace and its end. That's it. We are done with our sketch. Now we'll start with the outlining and finalizing everything else. So take your black marker and outline the elements that I'm outlining. I'm basically outlining this line that we have, the main line, and the outer outline of the characters. We are not going to outline the eyes, nose, mouth, or the teeth of the characters. We are just going to outline their bodies. Double up this line and make it thicker. Add dotted lines over here on this side as well. Now we'll start outlining the characters. I will show you how we are going to go about with each character with an example. For example, here we outlined the character, and since its eyes and mouth were not too small, so using the marker I outlined and filled color in the eyes as well. Now using a black gel pen, I'll make the details of this character, that is this dotted line that is broad at the edges and tapering at the bottom where it connects with the other character like this. So this is how we are going to go about with other characters as well. You can use your black gel pen for the eyes and mouth, or you can use your marker as well. But make sure that you are able to fill in properly and you're not spreading it out, or the marker line is not going outside the lines that you have made. It should be thin enough or thick enough as per requirement. So for example, over here with this heart-shaped character, I filled color for the eye with the marker, and similarly, using the black gel pen, finalize the details on this heart-shaped person over here. Outline all the elements that are present over here, and we will add some new elements as well, because making it with a pencil is not so much of use, as these are very simple. For example, the blush on its cheek and the smile, the inner line of the rabbit, the highlight on its face, on its head, and the line for the teeth. This way we are going to outline all the things that are inside the character and add few details in them as well. So now let's first outline every character, and later on we'll go ahead with the details. Once you're done outlining everything, take your black gel pen and outline the circles that are present for the shoelaces. Using a black marker, make the shoelace over here like this. Add the dotted line over here as well, going down to the bottom. Do it for the other side as well. Once you're done with this, using an eraser, erase all the pencil lines. Now we'll start adding further details, for example, coloring the inside of the circle here and adding more details on the shoelaces. I'm adding pretty squeezed up zigzag lines at a distance here. I'm adding few more details. For example, small circles will be filled in this area. You have to fill half of this area with really very small circles. Now using dots of the pen, fill up this area that is in shadow. We are depicting the darkness of this character that is hidden behind the three characters in front of it through this method. As these dots go upwards, it becomes less dense. Add some more details on the other characters here. Now add diagonal lines for the clouds. We'll be filling up the clouds using these lines. We'll use these lines for the cloud that is above our heart-shaped person as well. Make sure these lines are next to one another, and if you're finding it difficult to make these lines freehand, feel free to use a ruler as well. Now fill up these circles using black sketch pen. After this, take the black sketch pen and fill color in the night sky as well. Leave out the circles and the small stars. And that's it. We are done with our picture.